Okay, now the snowstorm has started.
Yeah,
Officially, it's really snowing. See
Ah!
Jamlet? See Evelyn? You see? Okay, that's our official snow. It's serious. By tomorrow, if it's gonna snow like this, we'll be what? Oh, somebody's car is jammed. You see, because of the snow.
Oh yeah.
The engine is frozen. Oh God, it's too much. Oh yeah.
Maybe put your hands in my pocket.
You don't have gloves?
No.
Okay.
Hey! Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, it's snowing outside. There's a snowstorm. It's very serious. This is big stuff on my route 124 ArdeyFamilyTV. That's Wifey right there, just coming from work. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share the videos. This is a winter storm. This is a snowstorm right here, a blizzard. This is a blizzard, a snowstorm. Very heavy, very highly anticipated. It's very bad out here. Seriously, very bad. You got it? Very, very serious. Yeah. Very serious. Wifey just not coming home from work. Very, very serious weather. This is a snowstorm. Snowstorm. Very serious. Freezing. Cake. Oh, hey, cake. Okay. Or cake, like leftovers from work.
Hey, if I should feel when you're going to see now, if I don't wait. You don't know what to.
Oh, I didn't. I'm just.
If I don't walk a normal to walk with you. If I don't, yeah, what clear? Again, I can't. You have to look for something and come and play.
Let me just give me a minute. Let's get this side right here. This side. And then get this other side here. Very serious. ArdeyFamilyTV. A snowstorm like no other. A blizzard like no other. Serious. Freezing cold weather. It's frigid.
DHL. Oh, the logo. Okay, good.
Hey, don't come in here without slippers on. Okay.
Ooh, it's snowing. Yeah, we have
See the snow, me?
to go, okay?
No.